You lead by innovating, and keeping up with the latest technology isn't enough. You need to stay ahead of it. That's where we come in. INE offers the most in-depth, hands-on training experience in the industry. Our world-class expert instructors guide your team through complex training modules, arming them with the knowledge they need to protect your critical infrastructure, build and maintain your networks, and make cloud migration seamless. Dive into thousands of hands-on labs for unlimited practice in real-world scenarios, and feel confident your networks won't be compromised with a zero-risk lab sandbox that allows your team to learn on our network, keeping yours secure. Our business platform is simple to use because it's all about you. Customize your training experience with INE's exclusive playlist. Drop courses and labs into individualized streams. Assign them out and keep up with progress, ensuring team members get the training they need and you get the expertise you need. Single sign-on makes logging in quick and easy across teams, and API access allows you to integrate course catalog materials directly into your LMS. Advanced analytics give you actionable insight into where your team excels and where they're vulnerable. And our courses are constantly evolving as technology changes. While businesses grow at the speed of technology, we give your team the tools to stay ahead of it. Get started with INE for Business today.